In this video, we're bringing you a review on the iSteady Multi Gimbal from Hohem. Now, vlogging in 2020 is going to get bigger and bigger. More people are going to want to shoot their own content, go online, make money, and talk about all the things they're interested in. And to do that, you'll want to have a fun product like this, which is called a gimbal. Now with this, you can mount just about any smartphone and select compact cameras. So you are going to get the smartphone adapter, and this will allow you to basically just clamp your smartphone in and mount it right onto the little slot right here. So just about any smartphone you'll be able to clamp and set up with it. And again, it does work with compact cameras as well, and it does work with some of the mid-size cameras. And in the description, we'll have a list of some of the preferred models you'll want to use if you want to use some of the larger cameras. But I love that smartphone-wise, you can put any phone in there and just start recording. There is an app you can download for it as well. You'll go into the Play Store and you'll look for an app called Hohem. You just download that free app, open it up, it will link Bluetooth, and setup is really quick. So that's another cool part, is you don't have to know a lot to get it going. Also love that it comes with this cool tripod in the box. So if you don't want to use it handheld, you can just mount it or just screw it in right on the tripod here and set it right on the table, and you've got a cool setup for a filming area. Again, you can just take this off, you can hold it handheld, and you can use it to record yourself or to walk and record scenery or whatever you want that's in front of you. But you've got a lot of options in terms of how you want to record. Now, next thing I really love is on the side here, you are getting a full-size USB port, which you can use to actually charge the device that you're using to film with. So I can plug in a charging cable and actually plug it into my phone to make sure my phone has some extra juice, or you can use it to charge other devices around you as well. It does charge via a micro USB right there, which is a cable a lot of people already have, so that's great. Nothing proprietary, and you'll probably have multiple of those at home. And then here we have the main controls. You do have a little trigger in the back here, and you also have a couple of things on the front. So for those tight shots, you can actually zoom in right from the remote there and zoom out really easy. And you have your controls here that will help you to maneuver where your camera goes. So maybe you're filming someone else, you can be in full control at the top here. I just love the fact that I can record myself without someone else having to help. I can just sit down and I can actually just put it on the facial tracking mode right here, and I'll just sit in front of it. It'll grab my face and allow me to just start recording. So that's a great option that you get. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go sit in front of the camera, and I'll show you the video of me in front of it doing some talking. So here I am as promised, right in front of the camera. I can just sit down. I basically hit record before I started, and now I can just sit down and start talking to camera and record for as long as I want, and it will just follow me. So if I want to slide over this way, the camera will stay with me. If I want to lay down, be silly, it'll follow me here too. And if I want to go back up, it'll grab me here too. So it's great to have that facial tracking, so you can just sit down and record and not have to worry about, oh, did I get the perfect camera angle? Is it gonna, throw off if I move? So I love the fact that it's just simple and easy for you to just sit down and just start talking. Now, to show you a couple of the functions you're gonna get in the menu here. So this is the facial tracking option you can turn on and off. Here is the camcorder setting. Right at the bottom, you've got these 5 modes here, so you can do some cool things with time lapses. You can do light trail, you can do long exposure, or you can do motion lapse. So you get some really cool options in terms of video recording. You also can just take stills. So if you just want to set this up and wait for a really great shot, you can do that too. And you basically gives you a lot of control, very similar to the controls you would get if you had a actual camera. Here's a quick rundown of the specs, just some other details about the gimbal. So it does weigh less than a pound, so it is pretty light. And you've got 6 working modes for filming. It does have 600-degree panning and 320-degree rolling and tilting. So you've got a lot of options in terms of angles and how you can really work the movement of the frames. Now the first choice for compact cameras is going to be the Sony RX100, M2, M7, the HX50, and the WX500 or 800. So those are kind of like, if you want to use a compact camera, those are the best options. But the cool thing is you can still mount like an action camera to it as well. So that tip where I showed you where you put the smartphone adapter on there, if you take that off, it's just a universal tripod mount. So you could use, for example, a GoPro or a DJI camera. You can basically use anything that has a tripod adapter, so it will fit just about any camera. And for the options that aren't a smartphone, you just use the manual controls on the remote of the device versus using the smartphone app. So again, you get flexibility. You can use your own equipment. You're not, bogged down by just using one or two. In terms of battery life, you're going to get about 8 hours of working time. So definitely great there. On the side of the device, you do get a battery indicator. All in all, guys, we really enjoy using this product. I'm kind of a one-man operation, so to have a device that I can just set up and allow me to record me talking to camera is what I've been looking for, and this has been probably one of the easiest ones that I've found to set up and use. Very reasonable price point as well, and we're actually going to have a link in the description where you guys can buy one and get a discount as well. So if you go down to the description, you'll find a discount. Thank you to Hohem for hooking us up with a discount for all our viewers. Hope you guys did like the video. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. If you're considering getting one, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.